Most people, when they think of social work, they think of working with individuals and families. They may have a goal towards becoming a clinical social worker or therapist. There are some individuals, however, that are more interested in social justice and change within organizations, change within communities, change on the policy level, whether that's the local level, the state level, the federal level. And so those individuals that might have an interest in mobilizing people within the community so that their voices can be heard on the local level, the state level, the federal level, in order to make changes in policies and changes in social justice issues that impact them, might have a real interest in this area.
At Temple, we have a really unique macro practice curriculum. It is new as of this year, and what we have done is designated a 1 semester, taken in your fall semester, a 1 semester macro practice course that introduces you with some amount of depth to organizational, community, and large system change. Students in that course learn how to assess for change, how to design a change plan, and how to think about the various challenges involved in doing that kind of change.
To me, social work means working with vulnerable communities, and macro social work is doing that on a larger scale. So I came into the program thinking that I was going to do clinical social work. I was actually very sure of that. And then the 2016 elections happened, and I felt like I needed to do something that would affect change on a larger scale rather than that one-to-one, individual family kind of way. And while that is incredibly important, I have a real interest in policy and advocacy, and I kind of wanted to hone that. And I'm getting kind of a great education through the macro department at the social work school. We have like macro practice course, we have the evaluations course, like research stuff, which is a little above my head, but good practice to have that. And I'm kind of discovering what macro social work is and all the ways that I can practice that after I get out of grad school. So in addition to those, we also have the field ed piece, and I am interning at a state representative's office down in Delaware County, and that is an incredible experience to get to see how policy affects folks in that area and how I might be able to work in the policy arena after I graduate.
The jobs for macro practitioners have a very healthy forecast. There is some very good expansion of the macro labor market anticipated over the next 5 years, especially in the health sector. But the jobs aren't called social work jobs. So macro practitioners would look for jobs such as resource developer, grant writer, program planner, community development, community organizer, union organizer, fundraiser, legislative aid, policy research, or legislative advocacy. And the MSW and macro practice provides you with what you need to get those jobs, which are paid at a fairly decent level. So our macro alums are doing quite well.